This is the Hisenfire DV57 flashlight. So unboxing tayo mga guys. So inside makita ninyo that there is a set of things like for example this charger head or charger adapter, tapos yung charger with charger cord inside and the strap with some O-rings. And also an adapter for 18650 battery if I'm not wrong. Along with this is the flashlight unit itself. So napakasolid ng flashlight mga guys. At saka magaan din siya. Talagang compact ang pagkakabuild nito. At ito na nga yung makuha natin inside the box. The complete set of the DV57. Yung battery niya guys is 26650 which is 5,000 milliamperes. Medyo mabigat nga siya sa pakiramdam at parang legit na 5,000 milliamps talaga. The flashlight is smooth on the finish. Smooth na smooth yung surface niya and the LED is XPH 70. Yung magnetic switch ay very smooth to operate din. We'll have to try the battery kung hanggang kailan or ilang oras ba ito magtatagal. At ito naman mga guys, very compact yung design itong flashlight at saka smooth na smooth yung alloy body finish nito. We'll be trying this out later. Tignan natin ito gaano kalakas. At ito yung kabuuan niya. Yung mga accessories niya. And we'll have to try it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just came back from the night fishing after almost 2 hours. Medyo nag-dim na yung flashlight. At ito pa rin yung kanyang battery, remaining battery for the night. Yan. Ang high mode. At saka yung low. At saka meron din siyang blinker or strobe lights. This is another angle of the light. And I guess yung full charge ng battery niya is just 2 hours and a little bit more. Pero sa 2 hours, manonotice niya na yung pag-fade ng high nito. At saka yung pagbaba ng battery level. So I guess the full charge is just maximum of 2 hours. Continuous tuloy-tuloy na paggamit lang flashlight. So that's it for the DV57 of Hisenfire.